Argonaut Mediterranean Cruise.
Ah, this is Tony Hoops here. Is that Kelly Masterman, the general manager?
Speaking.
Ah, Knight. Well, you listen here. Miss Masterman, I've just arrived home from one of your Eastern Mediterranean cruise ships, Queen of the Wave, and I'm not happy at all. I've got a whole list of complaints.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that. Let me just get a pen and I'll note them down. Right? Can you give me the details?
Well, first of all, we booked an expensive cabin on the outside of the ship. But there was a problem with that cabin and there were no others available on the outside. So we had to have in the middle of the ship and my wife spent 3 days feeling seasick. Then, for the buffet, it was supposed to be an all-you-can-eat buffet. But when we got there at 2 p.m., we found that there were only a few bits of cheese and salad left for us. And then in the program for Saturday evening, it said there was a fancy dress party, so we dressed up. But we found that everybody else was just in jeans and t-shirt. It was so embarrassing.
Oh, you must have felt humbled.
Yes, we did. And finally, I sent my costume to the ship's laundry to be cleaned, and it got lost. That really was the last straw.
So let me just recap. In a nutshell, you didn't get the cabin you ordered. The buffet lunch was finished by the time you got there. The fancy dress party, listen, in the program didn't take place and your costume was lost.
That's right.
Well, first of all, we are not going to try to pass the buck here. So we would like to apologize to you for this problem. This is what I propose. I'm going to call the ship and see if I can find out what was going on. Can I call you back in 20 minutes?
Yes, that's fine. Do you have my number? It's Tony Hawk speaking.
Hello, Mr. Hooks. It's Kelly Masterman here. I spoke to the ship first officer. It seems that the porthole in your cabin was broken by the previous passenger and water was coming in. But he apologized for not explaining what the problem was to you. I'm afraid we can refund the whole cost of the trip, but we can refund you the extra cost for the cabin that you didn't have.
That doesn't seem much. And my fancy dress costume?
Oh, on our website, you can find a document for insurance claims. Send in the form and well bill. With that, within a week. But as I said, we are really very sorry for this difficult. So we would like to offer you a 10% discount the next time you book an Argonaut holiday as compensation for the problems you had. Is that acceptable to you, Mr. Hooks?
Well, yes, I think that sounds reasonable.